Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's nice to mix things up every so often. So that's why I really like this Kuccu standing mixer. The main thing I love to make is pizza dough and tortilla or pita bread dough. And this thing has made that so much easier to do. So this has been a huge time saver and a big mess saver also. It comes with this nice metal bowl that you can secure into, because when it is on, it is turning a little rigorously, so you don't want this to move. So it's nice that this locks in place. I also like, because it's so deep, when you're done with everything, you usually have a bunch of things that are dirty. I love just being able to throw, once I've gotten the dough out of the bowl, to throw everything in the bowl and just put it in the sink. It has plenty of room. I can then fill it up with water and soap, and it is so easy to clean after that. It has 3 different attachments. One is a giant ball whisk looking thing, which is great for cake batter, things that are a little bit thinner. It has a regular mixer, and then you have the bread hook. I also like that it has suction cups on the bottom. Like I said before, when it's mixing, it can move a little bit, but with the suction cups, it allows it to stay stationary. It makes it difficult to move. So I think this is a great thing to have on your counter in the kitchen, and that's my point of view.